Hey, so my name's Daniel Cal, and my company is GSI, stands for Good Stewart Incorporated. We offer a porous countertop ceiling service. We are marketing our services to new homeowners, and our goal is to save them from having to pay to replace cracked, chipped, or damaged countertops a few years down the road. We do this by treating our clients' countertops with the sealing agent that prevents porous surfaces from absorbing moisture. Um, we charge roughly 125 for a full service of the house, which includes up to 4 rooms, as well as a double coat of ceiling protectant. Um, uh, we came up with this business because as of April, in the city of Murfreesboro alone, there had been over 400 single family residential units constructed, and in a 4 week period, we projected to have no less than 5 houses committed for services. Um, we basically had no competitions because they were based primarily in Nashville. Our competitive advantage is that we are less expensive than competitors, but more importantly, we're willing to teach our customers how to perform the service for themselves. That way, they can be educated and be good stewards of their possessions. Um, let's see. We had um, it was our local marketing attempt. So our local marketing appeared only for um, the neighborhood of Cedar Retreat. Um, so it was very closed. But if we had had more time and had this been more of a um, kind of like larger project, we would have presented marketing for obviously different streets and different neighborhoods because there are so many being constructed right now. Um, Here's a picture of um, work in action. Um, our projections for future growth are basically as high as we can get them. I think with more marketing, obviously, we would have appealed to more people. We had um, several people like her the marketing, but um, no one actually scheduled a service from us. In our um, market or our advertisement was up for about 6 weeks, maybe a little longer. Um, yeah, but so we weren't successful um, for those 6 weeks. But again, with greater marketing, greater advertisement, I know that this idea could actually have some traction and be successful.